What's up, Credit Fam? You got your boy Gary B from that new hot podcast show called Thinking Credit with Gary B. Hey, today in my daily tips, you're gonna love it. You know what I'm saying? But before we get started, let's stop for 1 minute and give the Alpha and the Omega the pride for waking us up this morning. Thank you, God. Boom. Let's get into it. All right. Hey, with this being said, today we're gonna talk about how to get money motivated. All right. That's what it's about, right? Getting motivated about that money. Today, that's what we're going to talk about in the daily financial tips. All right. Let's jump into this thing with drafting a financial vision board. All right. What a financial vision board is something that you can look at every day and get motivated about. All right. Start adopting better money habits. That's what that board is going to help you with. All right. Next, set specific financial goals. You know what I'm saying? Use numbers and dates just to talk about what you're trying to achieve, how much debt you want to pay down, how much money you want to save. That's what setting specific financial goals is all about. All right, next, adopting a spending model. All right, you got to look at it this way. Pick out a positive phrase like a mini rule of thumb on how you spend. Okay, for example, ask yourself: is this better going to borrow this year, or should I change my habit and save a little money this year? You got to think about things like that. All right, that's the kind of stuff that you want to look at when you put together a spending model. All right, first and foremost, you got to love yourself. You know what I'm saying? I know it sounds corny, but it does work. I'm telling you, if you love yourself, your finances are going to fall right because it's about that mental. Because if you're not feeling right about your money, things can get out of hand. All right. So pay off debt, get stuff right, get right with your family, get right with God. Things to get better. Love yourself. All right. Next, make bite sized money goals. You don't have to go out and do big things. Yeah, you might want to save $50,000 to put down on a house. Hey, you might not be able to do that right now. Save you 1,000 this month. Save you 500 next month. Put off a little trip for a minute, but at the same time, don't stop relaxing. These are just bite-sized goals. Still live life because it's gonna be there tomorrow. Hey, next, banish toxic money thoughts. Get them negative juju thoughts out of your head. Okay, you don't need that in there. Banish those toxic money thoughts. Get yourself right mentally. And this is what I'm always harp on. If your mind ain't right, your body ain't right, it ain't gonna happen. That takes me into the next one. Get your finances and your body in shape. All of you out there that can hear my voice and y'all walking the track and y'all in the gym, is your money financially in shape with you? If it's not, get it in shape with you. You can't just be going to the gym and sweating and doing this and getting that body looking right and going to spend money on all them new clothes and you ain't got no money. Work out them finances too, all right? That's what you need to do. Next, you have to learn how to save. I didn't say save, but saving is great. But I'm talking about savor today. I'm talking about appreciating what you have now. Don't look at the Joneses. Don't look at this and that, or look at BET and all these others. Look at what you get now and savor it. Thank God for what you have now. Okay. And then the last but not least, get you a money buddy. Get you somebody who's going to think about money the same way you do. Don't get that person who is negative and said, man, don't spend that. Man, don't do that. Man, I went broke. I did that. You don't need to hear that. You need to hear that person to talk about, hey, get another stream of income. Step your game up. Do this. You can get this. You can get that. That's what it's all about. Okay. So get you a money buddy that's going to go in the same direction as you. Either it be your significant other, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, or whoever it is. Get somebody who's going in the same direction with you. Hey, but that's all I got to say for today. Those are my financial tips. I hope they help you. Hey, listen out for my show every day. I'm coming daily with these daily financial tips. All right. Once again, I want to say check out my show, Thinking Credit with Gary B, every Saturday at 9 o'clock, every Sunday at 9 o'clock. We're talking about financial freedom. We're talking about mentally financial every weekend. Hey, tune in. Follow me on your favorite podcast service. Whatever you use, you can find me because I'm there. All right. This is Gary B one more time. Like I always say, I do the research. You just got to follow. Love you. Peace.